What if I told you that cybersecurity isn't boring insurance? What if it's actually the secret to landing $1 million clients? I am Stefan, an application security engineer, and today I'm going to show you why treating security like insurance is killing your business, and how thinking about it like fitness can make you incredibly attractive to the biggest brands in the world. Most people think cybersecurity is like insurance. You pay for it. You hope nothing bad happens. It's boring, it's expensive, it's a necessary evil. But here's the thing, that mindset is completely wrong and it's costing you serious money. I work with enterprise clients every day. I see which companies get the big deals and which ones get rejected immediately. And the difference? It's not always the best product that wins, it's the most secure one. Let me tell you a story about Zoom. In 2020, their security was so bad it became a meme. Everyone was making jokes about Zoom bombing. Meanwhile, their competitor, Cisco Webex, had been quietly building their security for years. When the US Department of Defense needed a video platform, guess who got the $224 million contract? Not Zoom, but Webex. And why? Because Webex had done their security homework. They had certifications, they had proper encryption, they were ready. While Zoom was explaining themselves to angry users, Webex was cashing government checks. And this happens every single day in business. Think about it like dating. Fit people date fit people. Attractive people hang out with attractive people. The same thing happens in business. Secure companies want to work with other secure companies. When I'm evaluating vendors for my enterprise clients, security is the first thing I check. If a company doesn't know what security is, I say no immediately. It doesn't matter how good their product is, no security means no deal. Here's what most people don't understand. Big companies like Walmart, Bank of America, Apple, they're not just buying your product, they're buying trust. These companies handle sensitive data. They have regulations to follow. They need partners who take security as seriously as they do. And they pay incredibly well for it. Imagine you're in a sales meeting with MasterCard. They start asking about your security, and you tell them you don't do penetration testing, you've never had a security audit, you don't have anyone dedicated to security. But you have insurance if something goes wrong. And guess what? You're not getting the deal. Insurance is passive. It doesn't prevent bad things from happening. It just helps you clean up the mess afterward. That's like buying gym clothes and expecting to get fit. It doesn't work that way. Security is like fitness. Here's why this analogy is perfect. First, it's hard. Good. That means not everyone will do it. Second, it requires consistency. You can't just work out once and expect results. And third, it's expensive, but so is everything valuable. And maybe four, it makes you attractive. Fit people get invited to parties, they get better opportunities, they get preferential treatment. The same thing happens with secure companies. When you have Strong security, doors open, clients trust you, deals come easier. But here's the good news. Just like fitness, everyone can improve. It doesn't matter where you start. So, how do you become security fit? Here's your workout plan. Step 1, change your mindset. Stop thinking of security as insurance. Start thinking of it as your competitive advantage. Step 2, find a coach. Hire a security consultant or employee who knows what they are doing. Step 3, set clear goals. What business outcomes do you want? What security standards do you need to meet? Step 4, get diagnosed. Do a security audit. Find out where you really stand. Be honest about it. Step 5, build your training plan. Create a roadmap based on your audit and goals. Step 6, go to the gym regularly. Implement your plan, run penetration tests quarterly, keep your systems updated, and don't skip security patches. Step 7, check yourself in the mirror, measure your progress, and see how you're improving. Step 8, show off your muscles. Put your security credentials on your website, talk about them in sales meetings, and don't be shy about it. Look, I get it, security seems boring compared to building new features, but here's what I've learned working with enterprise clients. The companies that invest in security early are the ones that win the biggest deals. They're the ones that get invited to the table with Fortune 500 companies. Security isn't a cost center, it's a profit center. It's what separates the companies making hundreds per month from the companies making millions per year. So here's my challenge for you. Stop thinking of security as insurance. Start thinking of it as your business gym membership. The results might surprise you. What's your biggest security challenge right now? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single comment and I might make a video answering your question. And if this was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more business strategy and cybersecurity content.